So I'm going to show you a double crochet decrease, and I'm going to actually show you a little something extra. So I do something called, and I'm working in a row. It's just a lot easier for me to show it in a row than in a round. So if you're working in rows and you want to turn with the double crochet, what I like to do, instead of chaining 2 or 3, which a lot of people like to do, I turn it without chaining, insert my hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through, yarn over and pull through those 2 to make a single crochet. And then I'm not going to work into the top of the single crochet. I'm going to go underneath that bar that's right there, and then on the other side, the bar on the other side as well, and then make a single crochet into that. And that just looks a lot nicer than just doing chains, because the chains kind of leave a gap, and it's a lot simpler than some of the ways that I've seen people do like invisible turning double crochet things. So now to do a double crochet decrease, I'm going to show you the normal way and then the invisible way. The invisible way is a lot better for amigurumi, and the normal way is a lot better if you're doing like blankets or sweaters or something. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then instead of finishing off that double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And that's how you do a double crochet decrease. And if you wanted to, you could even do that with multiple stitches. You just insert, and then you just go all the way until you're almost finished with the double crochet, but you stop short of actually finishing it off. And now to do an invisible double crochet decrease, which is such a mouthful, yarn over, insert into the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the following stitch, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, and then you're just going to finish it off like you normally would with a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'll do that again so you can see that. Yarn over, insert into the front loop, and then the front loop of the next, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your invisible double crochet decrease.